Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce a special disc filter. This disc filter is specially designed as a filtering element for self-cleaning filter worked in the lubrication oil of large design genset. It composed of multiple stacked filter elements and each consisting of a filter frame and a filter screen. Through specially patterned shaped filter elements and an optimized low-flow distribution system, it significantly increases filtration area within a compact space while generating almost no impact on pressure drop. The filter disc screen is usually made of high-quality stainless steel such as stainless steel 316 or 304, which boasts excellent corrosion resistance and strength. It can maintain stable filtration performance in harsh working environments, effectively resisting erosion from corrosive substances that may be present in oil, thus extending the service life of the filter disc and preventing harmful particles in the oil from entering the engine. Depending on the model, it can achieve filtration of different precisions and is suitable for different oil like fuel oil, hydraulic oil. For this in need, please feel free to contact us for consulting for double layer or single layer or different micro.